Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom. Let's dive into today's topic, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.
Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. BigBear.ai, known by its ticker symbol BBAI, is currently navigating a complex landscape filled with both potential and significant financial risks. As of today, the company is leveraging a substantial backlog of $385 million, fueled by increasing demand for artificial intelligence applications in the defense sector. This growth may position BBAI advantageously for long-term profitability, especially as artificial intelligence continues to transform various industries by enhancing operational efficiencies. However, investors should proceed with caution, as BigBear.ai is grappling with deep losses and unpredictable revenue streams that pose considerable risks. Recent investigations by law firms into the company's financial practices have raised troubling questions regarding possible fiduciary breaches by its board. This scrutiny coincides with ongoing class action lawsuits, creating an environment of uncertainty for both current and prospective investors. Complicating matters further, a strategic partnership announced with Easy Lease in the United Arab Emirates may open new avenues for growth. Although substantial legal challenges are a significant concern, in the short term, the combination of potential revenue growth from defense contracts and increasing legal scrutiny may lead to volatility in BBAI's stock prices. Overall, while opportunities exist, investors must carefully weigh them against the financial instability and legal issues surrounding the company. Such dynamics could result in fluctuating stock performance, complicating investment strategies as we move forward. Currently situated within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further rise within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 30% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 6% to 65%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 47%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 15% to over 333% in the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $4.31 and $16.12. Signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, a general buy signal is indicated for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $3.80. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the stock will find support from the long-term average at around $3.66. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have been noted, which may impact the near-term development of the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 17.15%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several negative indicators suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it is worth contemplating as a hold or accumulate option while we await further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued.